All right, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're unboxing my new Bucktool 8-inch bench grinder I got off Amazon. I sold my 6-inch bench grinder at a garage sale because it was old, rattled a lot. Quite frankly, I didn't know how long it was going to last, so I'm going to get a new one, a little bigger, a little more professional. So let's see what we got here. All right, here we go. Box within a box. There you go. All right. How much you want to bet the first thing we encounter here is styrofoam? It's hot today. Oh, look at that. Styrofoam. All right. Yay, got it. Ooh, let's see. Got a buffing wheel. What else? What else we got here? Styrofoam, paracord, just the bench grinder. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. That's how it's packed in there. We're going to lift it out and put it on the end of that workbench right there because that's where I plan to use it and keep it. That way I keep the mess towards the opening of the garage door. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Well, there it is. It's a 2-speed bench grinder. Gotta watch how I say this. I've never had an 8-inch, but I've had a 6-inch. Let's plug it in and start it up and see how the vibrations are. Gotta get my extension cord. That's not good. No, I didn't turn it on yet. All right, but first, cheers. Okay, that's a 3-way switch. L-O-H. I assume L means low. I don't know what the O means, but H must mean high. So let's try in the L, the low position first. I'm going to hold on to the top in case it jumps around for some reason. Kind of a slow startup. Wow. You barely hear it. Pretty nice. Let that wind down and we're going to try the middle position, which I suspect doesn't do anything. Okay, I'm supposed to have more accessories in the box. We just tested the low speed, looks good. It's under here. Yes! We have two tool rests, some face shields or eye shields, marketing slick, and a manual. Now we're going to try the high speed. Now we're going to try the middle speed. As I thought, doesn't do anything. Okay, now we're going to try the high speed. A little wobble in that stone. Okay, I'm going to let go of it. Wow, I noticed the stones are a little wobbly. It's definitely not the motor. It might be cheap stones. What I want to know is if I have the switch on, the speed selector in the middle position, and I switch it to low or high, will it just come on? Middle position, turn it on, just switch it and see what happens. Yep, comes on. I don't know if I like that, but anyway, that's the way they are. Hope you enjoyed the review. I'm going to end up putting a water wheel on one side and a more coarse stone on the other side. I don't do anything this fine like knives or anything, but it's going to stay here permanently and be a nice addition to my tool bench. Until next time.